This video is a collaboration between GoldieBlox and JOANN. Hey guys, it's GoldieBlox. I'm here at JOANN shopping for the teeniest, tiniest, cutest little things ever. Let's do it! I literally took everything small and adorable and cute and bought it, and I'm so excited. I just love small things. Small things are everything. It's so cute. That's what today's video is all about. A haul of small. That was off the bat. Okay, small haul. So I'm just gonna dump it because that seems like a good idea. So much small. They're too small, something might get caught. Okay. Okay, small. So the first thing I actually gravitated towards was this adorable, small little clipboard. This is more like room decor. Like I can just see like a whole wall full of these, just like lined up and just like put like random things in it, you know, like the calendar, like a makeshift calendar or something like that. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this and it's so cute. Ah! So I found these adorable like little silicone molds that are unicorn. And then there's taco and pizza. And like adorable. And then we got little pots. Little pots. I'm literally obsessed with these. Like they're not practical at all, but they're little pots. I just want to like put a little cactus in it or like just be like, I also got these little strings. Like that could be a flower if you don't have a green thumb, right? Yeah, adorable, love it. Perfect. And then I found this mini slime kit. Yeah, I don't have the patience to make this right now, but I will later. This is adorable, and it has its own little like carrying case. I'm obsessed. And okay, then I found these Pom-Poms. Not all of them are mini, but the ones that are adorable. Do you see these little ones? These little nuggets? One second, let me show you. You're not getting the gist. That was so satisfying. I'm not gonna dump all these out because I love myself too much. Here we go, 1 second. Ah! Look how cute that is. It's so small. This like actually like matches my nails and I'm kind of obsessed. And then I found this little easel. Like it's just like a little painting easel for like, you just kind of like put it up and you like paint. It's adorable. Like, and then I found these little TYs that are adorable, and this one, it's like a little cat, and it's, what's its name? That's always my favorite. Whimsy. Oh, Whimsy. The little piggy is Curly. Oh, look at his little tail. Whimsy and Curly. And then, okay, and then I found these small hats. Look. He looks like Billy Ray Cyrus. Like he's ready to sing Old Town Road. Look at that. Oh my, yeah, I don't want to get copyrighted, just kidding. Don't sue me. And then this one's still pretty mini for humans. Hats, yay. I found small glasses. Oh my God. Hi, welcome back to my channel. But look how cute this is. That's so cute. I'm obsessed with this. Last, very not least, this is a mini cat vacuum. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, and there's a little brush head. I could so use this in my life right now. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Let's test this out. I'm so excited. Okay. Cat vacuum versus small glitter. Let's do this. It's doing so well. Go off, little vacuum. I'm impressed. That's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed the haul of small. Comment down below what's the smallest thing you've bought from JOANN, or just the smallest thing you've bought in general, because I just want to know. And that is it, guys. GoldieBlox signing off.